I'm Thomas Nobel and I'm the founder of WowApp. It's been an incredible challenge to build WowApp. If we didn't have some of the smartest developers that I've ever worked with, I don't think we could have actually pulled it off. Because on one hand, it looks like a chat app, a calling app, which looks quite simple, although we often forget that the good calling chat apps that are out there, they belong to huge corporations. And WowApp was built with a team of 70 people. So WowApp is based on Wowism, a new economic concept that's based on sharing, doing good, and happiness. WowApp shares more than 70% of all revenue margin with the members. It's important to notice that WowApp is free, so members can only win and nobody can ever lose in the process. WowApp offers functions like chatting, calling, and video calling. And when members participate in these actions, they can actually earn from such things as advertising, paid calls, or people purchasing paid numbers that they have coming to their account. It's an invitation system, so as you invite all your friends, you will start earning on all of your network. You can then choose what you want to do with these earnings. You can cash them out for yourself, or you can donate all or a part to a charity of your choice. So we have nearly 2,000 NGOs inside the app. In Romania, we have, I believe, 11 connected today, and we are directly connected with these charities, and some of them have also said that they are going to invite all their donor bases to help us spread the word of doing good. As a member, you can make money without ever spending money. So advertising is key there. As you see ads, or as people in your network see ads, you actually earn from those ads. WowApp retains 30% of the ad money and basically pays 70% of the ad money to the network. The goal with the 30% is to cover the cost of development, the cost of maintaining the platform. So we've made sure that the ads are not intrusive to the experience, because when you're chatting with a friend, you do not want an ad popping up and taking over the screen. They're banners positioned in a way that they're not too intrusive, because it's an amazing concept. Because think about it. How often have you heard of something that you can join for free? It actually pays you real money that you can use, and you can use that money to do good with just 3 clicks. I believe if we do good things unselfishly, it actually gives us happiness.